Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to connect bolt Astra earbuds. Put both earbuds in the case, then remove them to wake pairing mode, or press and hold the button for 3 seconds until the LED flashes. Next, open Bluetooth on your phone, choose Bolt Astra from available devices, and confirm pairing. Once connected, test audio and microphone and adjust fit for optimal noise isolation and comfort while you enjoy your music. If you run into trouble, try a calm, step-by-step approach to fix common pairing issues. Fully charge the case and earbuds, then perform a reset by holding both earbud buttons for 10 seconds. After resetting, remove any old Bolt Astra entries from your device Bluetooth list, restart Bluetooth, and retry pairing. If problems persist, test with another device to isolate phone versus earbud issues and ensure firmware is current. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and hit like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long listening sessions. They last and feel great while you walk or commute with earbuds. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a pair if you like, and now let's get back to the video. Learn practical settings and daily use so your Bolt Astra earbuds fit your routine. Switch to single-ear mode for calls or situational awareness, and use the companion app to customize touch controls for play, pause, skip, or voice assistant. Check battery levels via the case LED or on-screen indicator, and place earbuds back in the case to top up between uses. Keep them clean and store in the case to prolong battery health and performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.